All right. Welcome to Superintendent McCarthy, as well as Illinois State Senator Tony Munoz and State Representative Michael Zalewski. From my office, I want to acknowledge Jack Blakey, the chief of our Special Prosecutions Bureau, as well as Jeannie Wren, who heads up our legislative team and who's down there in Springfield working very hard. They have both been instrumental in drafting and passage of House Bill 1907, the Illinois Street Gang and Racketeering Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Law, better known as Street Gang RICO. The goal of this bill really is to try to attack the criminal enterprise. So what we're going to be looking to put together is a pattern of conduct. And so I think we do a good job of getting the guy who, does the drive-by shooting, and we treat those cases as isolated incidents. But what this law will allow us to do is really attack the criminal enterprise and those leaders. And so we'll be able to then join different criminal acts under the umbrella of one case. So if we can get the requisite predicates and prove a pattern, we know there's probably more involved to just the drive-by shooting. What occurred prior to that? Was there an order from a gang leader for one of his underlings to go out and do that shooting? So that's what the goal is in this bill, really, is to be able to join different criminal offenses under one pattern and hopefully get to the guys who are calling the shots and getting to.
This law will prove an invaluable asset in a new gang violence reduction strategy, which we are implementing here in Chicago. As you know, it is a many-faceted attack that we are taking against gangs. Approximately 75 to 80% of our shooting incidents and murders in this city stem from gang-related activity. This is unacceptable, and why our top priority is to dismantle these street gangs responsible for violence tied to these criminal enterprises.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can only tell you, as a policeman, when I worked in the 11th District, the experiences that officers have on the street when you're locking up drug dealers selling drugs within an hour, 2 hours after arresting 75 to 80 gang members or drug dealers that are on there, they're out there again doing it. This bill has been in 31 other states right now. Right now, we have the opportunity in our state to go and work with state's attorneys in 100 counties.
One shooting is too many, but the fact is, crime reduction is a process. It's not something that we just say, boom, we're done, it's over. And this represents another tool in that toolbox, that arsenal, to turn crime in the right direction.